Now eyes up and breathing. Relax your forearm. Nope, that was all you, and I have it on video so you can see it. You need to sit back and wait for that fence to come to you. Start the whole line over again. Diagonal. Be looking. Eyes up. Spread your hand a little, relax down into your tack. Shoulders back. Shoulders back, heels down. Push. There you go, sit up. Good, breathing. Look. Good. She likes that bending line. She eats that up. Good, now look at your mother, step back, open up your chest and breathe. Now, stay tall. Good, much better. Now go ahead from there. Hold on.